Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to use Best Buy rewards points to fund a website purchase. If you have accumulated points and want to apply them to your next online order, here's how. So now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Best Buy website. Log into your account where your reward points are stored. Browse the website and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Once you've added everything you need, proceed to checkout. At checkout, you will see an option to apply your Best Buy rewards points. Enter the amount of points you want to use, and the total cost will be adjusted accordingly. After applying your points, choose your balance payment. After applying your points, choose your payment method for the remaining balance, if any, and complete the purchase. And that's how you use Best Buy rewards points to fund a website purchase. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.